Welcome back to my channel DIY with Saniya. Today we are going to crochet fingerless gloves. These are really nice pink cute gloves. So I'm using 4-ply yarn and 4 mm crochet hook. Let's get started. Let's start with a magic circle. It's also called magic loop and a slip knot. Now I'm going to make 32 chains, and 32 chains are totally perfect to make a medium size crochet glove. If you are making small glove, make 30 chains, or if you want a bigger glove, maybe make 35 chains. Okay, now I'm going to connect last chain with the first chain to make a big circle by a slip stitch. Okay, next step, chain 1 and single crochet in the same chain. Now single crochet in next chain, again single crochet in next chain, and that's how we will complete the first circle by single crochet in each chain till the last. This is last single crochet in last chain. Now I have uncompleted single crochet on my crochet hook, and I'm going to connect this with the first single crochet with a slip stitch. That's how we will not have any space between the stitches. Okay, now starting with the chain 1 and double crochet in the same stitch. Again double crochet in next chain, double crochet in next chain, and that's how we will complete this circle by making double crochet in each stitch or chain till the last. This is last double crochet of this round, and I'm going to connect uncompleted double crochet with the first double crochet by a slip stitch, and starting the next round with the chain and then double crochet, and we'll complete this round with the same process. Okay, so we have 2 rounds and we are going to need 8 round of double crochet. Now that I have 8 round of double crochet, I'm going to make one more round of double crochet by starting it with the chains and then double crochet in the same stitch, double crochet again, okay. I will make the double crochet till this stitch, okay. like I am counting 6 stitches from the last and adding a stitch marker. Here I have added a stitch marker. Now I'll be making double crochet till the stitch marker. Okay, now we have double crochets, and let's remove the stitch marker. One more double crochet, chain 1, and I'm going to skip 3 chains. Okay, 2 3, and going to make double crochet in the 4th one. One more double crochet in the next stitch, and this hole is for thumb. Okay, it is thumb hole. Last double crochet, and we'll connect the uncompleted double crochet with the first one to complete this round. See, we have a very nice thumb hole here now, and it looked like this. Again, starting next round, and we'll make double crochets till the point we have made a chain in last round, like till this double crochet. Now double crochet in a thumb hole, and again double crochets in next stitches, next chains. Uncompleted double crochet, and we'll connect it with the first one. This round is done. Now we'll make 2 more rounds of double crochets. So we have 2 more round of double crochets now. Okay, so basic glove is ready. We have started with 32 chains, then 1 round of single crochet, 8 round of double crochets, then we have decreased, skip some stitches basically to make a thumb hole, and then 3 more rounds of double crochets on it to make basic of glove. Now let's connect the white yarn to complete the look of this glove. Okay, I have made a small circle, and I'm going to connect yarn other color with the glove like this, so like we will not have any messy too much of yarn in the starting of this round. Chain 1, 1 double crochet, again double crochet, 1 more double crochet, and going to skip 1 stitch and making single crochet in next. Again in the next chain, double crochet, 1 more double crochet, again double crochet, and skipping 1 chain and then single crochet next. That's how we will complete this round. This round is done. Now making a slip stitch in the first chain, That's it. Cut the yarn and this round is done. Now let's do the next step. Okay, a small circle by making a magic circle like this and connect the white yarn at this point. Okay, chain 1 and double crochets, half double crochets in each chain. I will complete this round by making half double crochets till the end. Okay, let's connect uncompleted half double crochet with the first one. Okay, now chain 1 and one more round of half double crochets. This round is done and we have done 95% of this glove. It looks so nice. Pink and white always look so nice together. Let me show you the other glove. Okay, this is the part where we will connect crochet chain bow to the glove to complete the look, and like these will look so Pinterest type of fingerless cute gloves. To make that bow, let's make a magic circle first and then 40 chains. Okay, now that I have a pair of 40 chains, I'm going to stitch these chains on the glove by making a bow shape. Just watch the video carefully. I don't know how to explain this, but just watch it and do the same process to make a crochet bow. And I'm going to connect these bows on the glove. You can make a bow and paste it with a glue on the glove, but I would like to do the needle stuff. Okay. Okay, our very cute pair of fingerless cute gloves is ready, and I'm so glad that I have made this tutorial. I hope it will be helpful for my crochet buddies. See you next time.